All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to clean an AC unit. I'm gonna make a video out of it.
Oh.
No, you're good. But this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go ahead and clean it off. So as you can tell, it's pretty dirty. You know, all of this stuff won't let it breathe. So like it looks like some kind of animal tried to make a nest in here or something. But we're gonna wash all that stuff off. On this side, you don't want to get water in here, so you want to blow it off with air instead and not use water, because this is all your electricals. Right here is your capacitor. Right here is your little breaker. If anything is off, that little breaker will set it off. There is a little button you can push to turn it on and off as well. But yeah, this is the area you don't want to get wet. And then again, these are all just your, whenever the unit is running in the summer, you can tell it's a little cooler. Obviously it's winter right now, so you won't be able to tell. Everything's off. Already turned everything off. While you're here, you can also check the fan. Make sure the fan is still strong, and you can go based off of the readings on that motor. There's a little sticker that'll tell you what it should be at. We're not gonna do all that on video today. This video is just gonna show you guys how to take this stuff apart, put it back on, and clean it. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can tell, it hasn't been cleaned in a while, but we're gonna go ahead and take care of that today. But yeah, just stick around and we'll do it. So all you do with these, so each unit's a little different, guys. This one you have to pop off the top a little bit and then pull the rack out. So that's how this one's done. There's some that are just kind of stuck all together. They piece together, they hold the whole thing together, but this one's a little different. So we're just gonna pick this thing up a little bit, pull this rack out, and then I just put them in order, so this way I know exactly what order I got them in. So we start from this side and work our way around. And the same thing's gonna be with this one. I know this corner is for this side. All right. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It's pretty dirty.
It's not pretty, it's more than dirty.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Okay, just tell me when you want me to start it.
So this one, I'm gonna put water on it. I'm gonna use the air back here for this one. This one's got to be cleaned out with water, more than likely.
Okay, you want me to go ahead and start it? The real?
Yeah, you can start it. And the reason you don't want to put air in it is because you'll damage the aluminum on this. So go for it. All right. Let it build up to about 40 or 60 psi, guys. Oh, I'm just talking to the camera. You're good. We're gonna let it build up to about 40 or 60 psi on here before we start cleaning it off. You don't want to put too much pressure in here because you will damage it. should be it for this one.
Okay.
Now I'm just gonna get a water hose.
Yeah. Okay, you ready for the water?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All the way or just...
Yeah, you can put it all the way. I know. So all you're gonna do is just clean it off. See it? Again, guys, you just want to be gentle with this. If you put too much pressure on the water, you're going to damage these coils. Again, if you cut a lot of grass, you're going to get a lot more dirt in here. And you're supposed to do this about once a year, guys, but a lot of people just don't know that you're supposed to clean these things off. A lot of zacate.
Yeah, zacate. Yeah.
Yeah.
You think it will help you?
It might. I know. It's pretty dirty, right?
Oh, yeah. I don't think that it was that dirty.
Yeah,
I mean, you know.
a little bit, but not that much.
Well.
Yeah. Now it'll kill the motor, and then you have to buy a whole brand new.
Jeez, no.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want that one.
It's like $3,000 for a brand new one. So right here, guys, this isn't super important, but I just wanted to make sure I get everything as clean as I possibly can. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean off all the grates that go on the exterior of the unit. Again, this is one of the most important things you can do for your AC system to keep it running for a long time, to not overwork the unit itself. if you without cleaning it, you're overworking the unit and you're shortening the lifespan of the unit. And then to replace it is very, very costly. So, you know, once a year, you take a little time to do this, and it'll save you thousands of dollars in the end. So, yeah, just kind of wanted to throw that in here. You're able to get it? A little bit?
Little bit, no, but jeez.
No. What I do is a tiro roundup, about from here to here, around all of these things, on all the houses. That way I don't get grass getting into them, because it'll cut out the unit if it gets too much.
So well, in other words, you can cover this one, ¿verdad?
Like,
Con papel o plástico.
oh, no. No.
Tiene que ir.
Yeah, that's the reason I just cure everything. I tiro roundup all the way around, and that way no grass grows around it. And when I cut grass, I throw it that way, because if not, it'll kill the unit. Yeah, that's what I usually do. Yeah, but if you don't know, you don't know. I mean,
Well, I mean, you know,
yeah,
they might be, well, como quiera, they might blow, you know, pero
yeah,
I just, when I just cut the grass, I just trying to
cut the
go-
grass.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that way, you know.
Yeah.
But, I mean, you know.
it still gets stuck.
Yeah, it might be the same. Well, not the same, pero pretty close, you know, all of this little shit.
Yeah,
No, hombre. Y no puede tallarle no con nada.
mm-mm.
Y luego tanto pedacito, tanta oreja de estas, no.
I know.
Aquí vamos a estar extra cream.
Yeah, I know. If you wanted to, you could build a little privacy fence,
Mm-hmm.
and then put that mesh right here, and then that way all that stuff won't get in there. If you wanted to, you could do that.
Well, yeah, I guess. I'm gonna need to do something. Porque I just want to make también like a little techito.
Uh-huh.
Porque, you know, when that sun is right over here,
Uh-huh.
you just get all the sun.
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that too.
So I just figured to, you know, make a little batien from that batien. You know.
Mm-hmm. It'll help it. It'll help it. Yeah.
Pero nomás que no he tenido, you know, well, como all of that chance, you know, I'd be, boy, 12 o'clock.
Yeah. 12 o'clock.
Yeah, Adam kept me a little busy, you know, with that chingaderas.
Concrete
you know.
over there.
So, yes,
That's pretty close.
it's not clean, but I mean,
It's better than what it was.
I guess que sí. Porque no, hombre, pues mira,
I know.
esa vamos a quien ketchup and some other cake.
I know.
Y esta cosa no jala.
Too much pressure on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to bend it. Yeah.
No estira nada.
Yeah. I mean, you can build something right here. It's cheaper than $3,000 for a new
yeah.
unit.
Yeah.
pick it up a little bit. Let me take this. Let me take this out. Let me take this one off and I'll put this first. There's that one. There it goes. Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. There it goes. Okay. This one in here too. Okay, here we go. There it goes, right there. Okay. Got it? No quiere.
No quiere esa cosa.
Okay. And the last piece.
Que mira más blanco.
Right?
You want me to wash this one?
Yeah, if you want to wash it, go for it. Okay, that one's done. Just this one.
There.
Yeah.
On the line.
Can you give me some of those screws? The little screws?
How many you want? One, two?
Yeah, two. Two's fine. Thank you, thank you. Other side. Got that one. That's it. Just gotta get on this side. Okay. Now it's
Ready
done.
to
Now
put
it's
some more dirt, eh?
yeah.